Hello, dear friends. Today I am back with a card reading, and I have used the Unicorn Oracle deck by Dino Cooper. What a beautiful set of cards! And I thank my dear friend David again for this beautiful gift. Unicorns. I remember as a child I was not that aware of unicorns. But today, when I see children around, how aware are they of unicorns? They love unicorn toys. So, who are unicorns? They are high frequency, pure white energy. They often appear as a white horse with a horn of light spiraling from their forehead. They are very enlightened, and if they touch you with their horn, they can give you healing, blessing, magical transformation at a soul level. And how can they help you? They can help you in many ways. They can inspire you and heal you at the soul level. They can bring in your deepest desires of your soul to fruition and help you find your true contentment and satisfaction. They carry your message to the divine, your little manifestations, your little whispers and wishes. But remember that these manifestations and wishes are only granted if they are meant for your highest good. So, when you sit down in a place of quiet and silence, or you wish to meditate, visualize a unicorn and call upon them. And then you will have your own personal unicorn, and you can give your unicorn a name too. That too will come to you. What is the name you wish to give your unicorn? Or what is the name by which your unicorn wishes you to call? So, unicorns want to connect with you and always help you. They can bring you great joy and transformation in your life and the lives of others through you. I love unicorns and I connect to them often. And they show themselves to me. And sometimes in the form of pictures, or maybe I am just walking down the road, a picture of a unicorn toy, or something will just come up, and that is how they show themselves to you. Apart from the fact that when you sit down in meditation and connect to their white light, you will feel their energy flowing through you. They love you unconditionally and give them your unconditional love. Trust and believe in them, and everything will be fine. So, the card that has come out today from the Unicorn Oracle deck by Dino Cooper is card number 40, Stargate to Lyra. Now, let me read this out to you. Lyra is a magnificent cross-shaped stargate between the universe and others. Beyond it lies the kingdom of the unicorns. Archangel Christiel, the wondrous angel of peace, overlights it. And this is how Archangel Christiel looks. This card invites you to visit the unicorn kingdom through the stargate of Lyra. Ask your unicorn to take you there, and Archangel Christiel will open the gate for you. When you enter, feel the ocean of tranquility and love of thousands of unicorns surrounding you with pure white Christ light. This purifies your physical, mental, emotional, and spiritual body. Then they stream light into your third eye chakra and expand it and awaken it to higher possibilities. After this, they illuminate your heart center to open it more fully. Finally, they cleanse and heal you at a soul level before cascading sparkling diamond light and generous blessing over you. Look for a quiet place where you can observe this and do the following steps. Sit down quietly in a place of silence. Visualize yourself being covered with white pure light from your crown chakra down to your feet. Then visualize that you are riding on a unicorn to the kingdom of Lyra. Archangel Christiel welcomes you and blesses you. Enter the unicorn kingdom. As you explore it, receive healing and blessings. Archangel Christiel's light beams through the moon into your casual chakra. Your chakra expands and shimmers like a personal moon above you. Say the following affirmation: my casual chakra is a unicorn portal. This is also a card of higher service. It invites you to develop your casual chakra. And where is your casual chakra? It is above and slightly behind your crown, so that it lights up and becomes a portal through which the unicorn enters the earth. Try this exercise, my dear friends. It is beautiful to connect to unicorns and trust and believe that they are there to help you. Visualize an unicorn, give them love, and they will reciprocate more love to you. Tomorrow is full moon, 23rd May. I hope this full moon you are able to release and let go what is not meant for your highest good. Thank you for your time once again. Hope the rest of May is peaceful, tranquil, full of love. I will be in touch again.